Hello guys, this seed that you are watching now are the basil seed, specifically, is the holy basil or Thai basil. This seed, if you put in the water, they swallow up like a popcorn. So they are very useful if you are on diet because you will eat more water than the other things. But be careful, 1 or 2 teaspoons a day, no more. Now you can put this in in the soups, like pumpkin soups, or in some salad, because after they will swallow in your stomach too if you eat in the salad. So you will feel full and you will eat less. But now I will show you how to make 3 desserts. We will make one coconut and passion fruit, one yogurt and strawberry, and one with butterfly pea, plus again some yogurt. Very good, very dietetic. This one with the strawberry yogurt is good, but the one that I prefer is coconut milk and mango. Bye bye. Remember to subscribe to the channel to remain lucky to watch all the other videos. If you try to use it or if you have some experience with the basil seed, please write down in the comments. Bye bye.